We all know that meal prepping can save us a lot of time and money. It can also help us reach our nutritional goals and help us avoid unhealthy food options, especially when we are exhausted or overwhelmed. And since we get to decide what to eat ahead of time, meal prepping can lead to more nutritious meal choices. In this video, I'm sharing with you simple and budget-friendly meal prep ideas. I try picking meals that contain different vegetables and protein-rich foods, as well as variety of complex carbs such as brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat pasta, etc. The first ingredient on my list is brown rice. Every week I cook a big batch of brown rice that lasts me at least a couple days. Brown rice is so versatile and so convenient to have it on hand. I use it plain or add it in various recipes such as fried rice or Spanish rice. Next is whole wheat pasta. Again, so versatile and convenient and can be used in so many recipes. Great for school and office lunches too. Chickpeas is another versatile ingredient that I cook every week. I cook a big batch of it and store it in the fridge and use it in various recipes, such as chana masala, salads, and curries. So delicious and so healthy, full of protein and fiber. Another ingredient that I cook every week are eggs. So versatile, so affordable, good source of protein, and so delicious. I use it for breakfast and also add it to various recipes including salads, egg salad sandwiches, and curries. Next are vegetables. It is so convenient to have washed and cut up vegetables stored in the fridge ready to be used. It saves us so much time and effort. I also make few jars of overnight oats. It's so convenient, so simple, and so delicious. If you have not tried overnight oats before, I highly recommend you try it. You will love it. I hope you found today's video useful. If you did, then please like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.